Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Vinini LRMA color indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a type of moving average that is created by combining simple moving averages and linear weighted moving averages, and its name is linear regression moving average. It is displayed on the chart in three colors: red, yellow, and green. When it is green, it indicates an uptrend. When it is yellow, it shows the market is ranging. And when it is red, it's...
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
signals a downtrend. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. First, we have the calculation period of this indicator. The longer we set this period, the smoother the line becomes and sudden changes are filtered out. The next option is the price on which the calculations are performed, which can be selected from among these choices. And the next option is the shift to the right for this indicator, which we can also specify. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.